Let's take it live. Alright, so it looked like it did break below level 1 really. We were expecting continuation immediately. That was the long. Alright, that was the hedge. Market of course retracted but bounced level 1. It's likely we are seeing the 3. We're seeing the 4A, 4B and 4C. And therefore I'm not sure if the hedge got opened. If we have the hedge got opened, you would have to close it on at a loss. That is unfortunate, but if it didn't get open, then that is of course if we're having edge below level 1 and not below level 3, of course it's much better. We were expecting either entry on a breakout at level here or entry at 61.8 with the hedge at level 1. 61.8 of course is the shoulder level. If we have a hedge, it's possible we're still going to get a 4C to the downside because we do not have solid momentum trending on the 30 minutes or on the 15 minutes. Possible we get this. We were expecting a breakout right away actually, and we were really expecting a breakout right away, but we're still doing the shoulder levels, and therefore if we have the longs, we hold them. If we have a hedge, we attempt to close it on a retraction towards our entry. You're seeing a 5 at this point. You're seeing, of course, an A, B, and a C, and let's show the retraction before continuation to the upside. Alright, so long as are valid, we will continue to hold them. If we are holding a hedge, we expect we can still get out of it by a bit of retraction to the downside. I believe we're seeing 5 all the way up here, so that clears the whole situation. It's irrelevant now. Okay, so a 1 and a 2, 3, 4, and we're getting an ending diagonal to 5, 3,400 is the market top. We also expect 3,450, maybe even higher. Alright, so this is going to do a 5, retract, and then continue higher. It's like leg 1, leg 2, and leg 3. Market is a buy. If you're not yet into the market, you just take the hedge a bit. Forget about. You usually have hedges for $30. So market is 3,380. Hedge is 3,350. You have to have it there. Otherwise, it's not feasible to trade. Again, if we have that hedge, we just wait for a retraction, close it out, hold the longs. We are going to resistance 2, at least. On dollar weakness, of course. All right, let's. This brings us to an end of issues and questions. Let's do a quick recap before we call it an end to our analysis today. We believe gold is still moving higher. We had a very tight hedge to protect our entry longs. If you unfortunately had that hedge open, you just want to close it as close as on a retraction. You don't want to close it at a loss as close to your entry as possible. We believe we're having a breakout right now in Bitcoin, therefore we're going to be taking longs immediately. We also believe we are having also a breakout. I believe in the Tech 100, we are going to be taking the longs immediately. We're looking at both just a very short while back. Oil will be moving to the downside, we're shorting it. There is dollar weakness across the board since yesterday, so we were looking at taking longs in the euro dollar, even trading intraday longs into the euro dollar. We were also taking longs in the sterling dollar. We were doing shorts in the United States dollar against the Swiss and shorts in the dollar index. We're also taking longs in the sterling yen. All right, I hope we're all doing well with our trades. I hope we'll all be able to maximize yields out of the current trend and look into short-term and swing-term strategies to benefit really from directional volatility, because this is what we're getting over the coming 48 hours, over the coming today, Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe even going into the end of the week. All right, I hope everyone has been able to create good yields this week and will continue hopefully to do so. It's really been great having everyone with us today. We look forward to be all together again tomorrow. I wish everyone the very, very best of good fortune with their trades. With this, I'll leave you all tonight. Take good care of yourselves and good night.